So in this update you can see it's a pretty big update, and it is one of the biggest updates I have ever received since I've been into this OS. It covers it brings a lot of upgrades to a lot of things in the operating system, the calendar and pretty much stuff. I don't read what's new. It's all the mouse and touchpad settings, some minor bug fixes and some a little tweaking updates, and the screen time and timing limits. What? I'm gonna update it. Yes. The elementary OS is gonna remove the authentication for the admin to be required to update. It is gonna be coming in the next few updates, and this is another update which I received the very next day. Actually, this video is I have this video made possible by actually recording 4 different videos from 4 different days. I received the updates from 28th May or 29th May. From that day I was receiving updates on a daily basis, and the updates were really big. As you can see, a lot of improvements have been made to the OS by the team Elementary OS. We'll see if that makes it better or worse. It's gonna make it better, I guess. I'm gonna update it. That's it. Oh, wrong password. Shit. Yeah, that's right. I usually edit my videos on Shortcut on Elementary OS. It is a bit convenient for me, and I have not got any more alternatives also. And this is the update I see the June 4th. As you can see the date. I think this update removes the authentication of the admin to update the applications on the OS. This is one of the biggest update. 70 MB. I've never got that much big update ever. And this is the today Firefox. Yeah. It is bringing so many improvements. You can just watch it if you are using it. Okay, and that's it gonna be.